Okay.
YouTube. This is Andy, and I'm doing a PC build today. So here's just the case. Already opened it. It's the Zalman ZMT2 mini tower. This is the inside of it. This is the optical drive bay for DVD drives, hard drive bay, and then the bag of accessories and the manual is all here. Now we have a bunch of wires that are zip tied together over here, which I'll get more into later. The motherboard goes in this area. In this area all over here. Power supply goes over here. And then on the back there is this area we can put water cooling stuff here. Something for some VGA card connecting here. The motherboard cutout will go here. The I/O. This is the fan connector. And back here there are 3 PCI or PCIe cutouts for video cards and whatnot. And then in the front there's this USB 2.0 on top here, microphone, volume, headphones, USB 3, reset, power. And then here's the optical drive bay. So this is the front of the case. I will show the rest later while I'm building it. So enjoy. Okay, end. That's right.